Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing box braids down to the butts. They are going down like past her butt, almost to her thighs. So yeah, these braids are super long and super pretty. I know I've already done like 10,000 tutorials, but I added some bedazzled jewelry at the end. It's like rhinestones kinda, and it just looks super pretty. So yeah, I thought I would share it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm gonna let you guys just watch the video. If you want a more detailed tutorial, make sure to check out my other video on jumbo box braids. Yeah, so I'm gonna just let you guys watch, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. All of the products I use will be in the description box, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye.